Good day, everyone. Welcome to Seriously Addicted Mathematics. I am Teacher Paul, and today I'm going to show you how to solve mathematics problems using some way. And to show you that, we're going to have a sample problem. So this is our problem. Adrian ordered a pizza. He shared 2/8 of it to Thea and 3/8 of it to me. What part of pizza was left for him? Now, most probably, many students will find it difficult to solve for this type of problem because it is fractions or it involves fractions. But how are we going to solve it using the SAM way? Here in SAM, we are using a three-step method in solving problems. First step is the concrete or the concrete part. Next is the pictorial part, and last is the abstract part. Now, how are we going to solve this problem using those steps? For the concrete part, you need to have something that you can touch or you can feel. Now, I am ready for that such event because I ordered a pizza. So, if I have a pizza, just like this, I'm going to give 2/8 of it to Thea and 3/8 of it to me. Now the question is, what part of pizza was left for Adrian? So for the next step, we're going to use the pictorial method. So how are we going to solve this problem using the pictorial method? So I'm going to show the problem or the pizza using a bar model. So if I'm going to have one bar, so this will be the whole pizza. Okay? So this is one whole pizza. Now, let's dissect the problem one by one. The first is, it is stated here that he shared 2/8 of it to Thea. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to divide this pizza, this whole bar, into 8 equal parts. So let's divide it. Now, after we divide it, we're going to shade 2/8 of it because he shared it. That's why 2/8 part of the pizza will be gone. Okay? So let's try to shade 2/8 of it. So this is 1/8, 2/8. So this will be 2/8. And this is for Thea. Now, he also shared 3/8 of it to me. So, we're going to shade another 3/8 of it. So, this will be 1/8, 2/8, and 3/8. So, this is 3/8. So, this is for May. Now, the question is, what part of pizza was left for him? So, we're talking about this part. So, we still don't know this part. But we can clearly see the answer to this problem because if we can count this one, so this is 1/8, this is 2/8, and this is 3/8. So, we can already answer this one using the pictorial method. But we're going to show you the abstract way of answering this one. Now, if we're going to solve it in abstract way, we know that we have one pizza. And we're going to subtract 2/8 and 3/8 from that pizza. So if we're going to subtract 2/8 first, that will be equal to 8/8. So 8/8 because there are 8 parts inside of the whole. So 8/8 minus 2/8. So that is just equal to 6/8. But that is just only for Thea. But if you remove the part of the pizza from me, so that will be 6/8 minus 3/8, and that will be equal to 3/8. So in abstract way, we got the answer which is 3/8. But If we go back to the pictorial method, we can clearly see what part of the pizza was left for Paul, which is this part. So this is 1/8, 2/8, and 3/8. So this is 3/8. So we just have the same answer, but we just showed it in abstract way. So the next step is to answer the question. So what part of pizza was left for him? So 3/8 part of the pizza was left for Adrian. Clear?